Hey guys, today I'll be checking out this house that was built in the mid-1960s. It's untouched and it's all retro. It's really cool, so this will be a fun explore. I'll walk around the property and then I'll show the garages in the back because there's two like little shops or like work garages, and then we'll head inside. It's really cool, but the garages are kind of empty, so there's not much in there, but the house is really cool. Here's the side of it. Now, I don't know the exact year this place was built, but sometime in the mid to late 60s, I'm pretty sure. And it's been empty for like maybe a couple years now. It's development land that's for sale right now, so it'll be bought out and then they'll demolish it for some industrial condos. Here's like the porch, or like the back porch and sunroom. It's pretty cool. A lot of windows, which I like. It's a nice house. It sucks it's gonna get demolished, as it's in like almost perfect condition. I like this little garden too. It's pretty neat. Okay guys, now we'll check out the garages and then we'll go to the inside. So I will see you guys in the garages. Alright, now let's just head inside. I don't know if we can go in this place, but we can go in the garage of it. But I don't think we can in the office. Not much in here. And it looks like we can go on the other side. So I'll do that part in a second, but this is it. Pretty empty, but it's kind of cool. Look at this old chain to lift stuff up. Okay, now I'll head into the other side. I'll show you guys that. Okay guys, so I made it in the office. It's all gutted, so there's nothing really in here, but this is just it. And then we'll move on to the next garage, and then the house that's on the property. So this is like probably just the main office. And then that would have been like the waiting room and front desk probably. And I'm gonna move on to the next garage and then we'll move on that house right there. Okay guys, so this is the other garage. Not much to it. I'll walk around the sides of it, show it off. And then we'll just head inside real quick. It's really small. There ain't really nothing here. There's more stuff in it than the first garage, but that's about it. There's nothing really interesting either. There was a homeless person sleeping here at one point, but it looks like it hasn't been a while since they have. But I'll walk in this garage real quick and that'll be it for the garages. Okay guys, that'll probably be it for the garage, but I just want to see what's in this bin real quick. Kind of curious. Oh, this stinks. Maybe I'm not so curious anymore. Okay guys, so we're inside. Here's a closet. It's nice wood. I'll show you in the closet. There's not much in here. There's not anything in here actually. But I'll still just show it. Here's the garage. We can't get in there, so I don't know how we're gonna get in there. We probably can't. There's nothing interesting in there, it looks like anyway. I'll do the basement first while we're here anyway, too, because it's full of spider webs. This wood paneling is nice. Same with these wooden stairs. Carpet stairs, these are pretty nice. Yeah, that's really nice. Oh, look at that old stove. Oh, there's so many cobwebs, wow. But look at that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this one's gonna be hard to be in because there's just so many cobwebs everywhere. So this is the farthest I'm going probably. Yeah, I'm not gonna go check out what's in there. Yeah, I'm gonna stay right here. But here's this nice fireplace. Let me zoom out a little. It's pretty cool. Oh, it's real stone too. Yeah, that's really nice. Sucks this house is gonna probably end up being demolished. They want to build light industrial condos here. I'll show you the kitchen and just the rest of the house, and that'll probably be it. These cupboards are also really gorgeous. Nothing in it. A collection of like all the nuts, I think. It's pretty cool. Can't really see that one, but look at all this. A nice view too. And I didn't even see this. Wow. It's a lot. Anything in here? Nope. I like this wallpaper too. And that trim, that's pretty nice. Now this is really cool. Wow, that's nice. A lot of windows, a lot of natural light. This house is just so nice. This would be such a nice house to live in. That's really cool. It has like these for like shelves. They put like plants and stuff on it. That's cool. There's an attic, but I'm not gonna go in there. I don't have a ladder to get in there. But there's probably not anything in there, so I'm not even gonna try. Look at this, it's made out of like a basket. I think it's a real basket too. That's really cool. I like that. A nice wooden door. Really nice. Now this is the bathroom. Nothing in here. And if you're wondering what that beeping is, it's just a smoke alarm. It needs new batteries, so that's why it's making that noise. Here's the other bedroom. It's not that interesting. I don't know what that is. I think it's a curtain. kind of not another like cool light. It's just that. Okay guys, that'll probably be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.